When you're about to speak in front of people and suddenly your heart starts racing, your hands get sweaty, your mind goes blank, and the words you practiced just disappear. But here's the truth. Confidence in public speaking isn't something you're born with. It's something you build step by step. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to speak with confidence in front of many people, even if you're shy, nervous, or scared. Let's start. Step 1. Stop trying to be perfect. The biggest mistake people make is trying to sound perfect. Perfect words, perfect voice, perfect delivery. And that pressure destroys confidence. But confident speakers don't try to be perfect. They try to be real. Because people don't connect with perfection. They connect with authenticity. Even if you pause, even if you mess up, just keep going. Confidence isn't speaking flawlessly. Confidence is speaking anyway. Pause. Step 2. Use the 3-second rule. Before you start speaking, pause for 3 seconds. Look at the audience. Take a breath. Then begin. This small pause does 3 things. It calms your brain, makes you look confident, and gets everyone's attention. Nervous speakers rush. Confident speakers control the moment. So remember, pause, then speak. Step 3. Slow down your words. When you're nervous, you talk fast, too fast. And fast speech sounds unsure. Confidence sounds slow, clear, controlled. So speak 20% slower than normal. Not robotic, just calm. This alone makes you sound instantly more confident. Final truth. Here's the most important thing. You don't become confident before speaking. You become confident by speaking. The first time will be scary. The second time will be uncomfortable. The third time will be easier. And one day, you'll stand in front of many people and speak like it's nothing. Confidence isn't magic. It's repetition. So next time you get the chance to speak, don't avoid it. Take it. Because every time you speak, your confidence grows. And one day, you won't fear the crowd anymore. The crowd will listen to you.